Love, I am going to quickly show you how to slay your edges like this in case you've been wondering. So you need any edge control of your choice and a rat tail comb. So you're going to apply a small quantity, a generous but small quantity to your edges, and it needs some seconds to become soft because the edge control usually softens the hair, especially for this eco gel. And after about 45 seconds you brush everything towards your face. So just make sure you brush it nice and clean towards your face. So to do this, you're going to make like a swoop. At the tail of the swoop, when you go in, when you're coming out, you just pull the tail, like the rest of that section you swooped, pull it outwards and curve it just like this. So you're going to create a swoop with your finger lying on your head. Then you take it up, use your thumb, and then use the brush to help curve the hair around your thumb like this. Curve it around your thumb like this. This is going to help you create like this round shape, and then you use the end of the rat tail comb or steal the comb to further make more circles with the tail, like the longest part of your hair. So brush everything to the front just like this, then round it around your finger. Use your finger to like control the hair to make it into like a circle kind of. Then you place your hand where that first circle stops and make another circle. So you just keep curving the hair so it can lift like this. If it lifts, just press it down and try to get it to lie down again. So we brush the hair in. While coming out, you pull the tail out to just expose like the length of your hair, the longer baby hairs. So around your finger you create like circles, and just take your time and play with it like this. Create circles as long as you want, create any design you want, and that is a very easy way to create this. So let's go again. Brush, swoop, then you have the longest part remaining. Now use your finger to form, yes, just like that, make like a ball around your finger to form a curve just like that. Be open to trying it several times. This is kind of messy also. If you can get a better edge control, I think it will be easier for you. Or this is also fine, like it's really fine. And let's try it on this other side. Her hair was kind of dry, so I sprayed just very little water, then applied the edge control, waited a while for it to become soft while just massaging it lightly into the hair. Once it is cool, you brush everything towards the face, create your swoop like finger curls, then the longer part of the head, you bend it or curve it like that, and then play with the remaining length to create more swoop, 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 swoop. If you're interested in seeing how I made these butterfly braids for my sister, the video will be linked at the end of this one, at the end screen, yeah, or just check on my channel or in the description bar. So we are going to go outside and show you guys. If you tie it down, it is going to help it set best. Like it is, you get the best result if you tie it down and let it dry for some minutes. So just tie it before you're done with the rest of your makeup, or before you're ready to run out of the door. And for this our hairstyle, guys, this hair is the